Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If I have the same outfit and the same makeup as the last video, it's because I recorded this video the same day. Welcome back, and today I just want to talk about my episode 1 of my bedroom makeover. So I want to do a makeover on my bedroom. I've lived in this house for 5 years since when my parents first got married, my stepdad and my mom, and this room has a lot of history. A lot of people have lived in this room, and I feel like this room, well, I know this room has been the same since they first built it, because I've seen online when this house was being sold. We got curious and we looked it up, and it hasn't changed. It has marks and stuff like that of previous people, and I would rather not have those. Personal reasons, of course. So I decided to make my room a new place, and a place that's mine, and that I feel like doesn't carry bad memories or anything like that. Okay guys, so sorry for the carpet being a little messy. I vacuumed it, but it was a couple, like maybe a week ago. Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about in lighting wise. Here's the ceiling all the way through, and there is no light. Here are the walls all the way through, nothing. So when I first moved into this room, there was a lamp that matched this dresser, because as you can see, the dresser matches the headboard on the bed. So there was a lamp, and anything you connect to this outlet gets turned on by this. Off, on. So that's where the lamp was connected, and I know you guys were loving this. I know, it's freaking beautiful. Okay, anyway, and that doesn't give you a lot of light. Let me show you what this room looks like without any lights at all. Turn off my box light. This is the room right now. It is about 12. Now, the reason it's like super dark, it wouldn't be this dark normally, but it's rainy today. I don't get the weather. It's been hot and now it's raining. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Oh, well, the closet light is on. Let's say the closet light is off. Yep. Who can make a video in this? Who, right? Anyway, so then the closet light gets turned on and you'll see a little more orange. But that's the main problem with not having a main light. The next thing I want to change is I want to organize my dresser. Okay, so here are here I have my perfumes, and I think this could stay or maybe not. I'm still trying to figure out a color palette for my room. I kind of can't change the black on this. I can't change the black chair. I definitely can't change the purple chair, but I think that one can get away with it. So I'm just trying to figure out, because I thought, well, it's an ocean blue, so maybe a yellow would be fine, like almost like beach colors, you know. But I'm not sure. I'm like really confused. So I might change this into a different color one. These are at the dollar store, the 99-cent store. So these were really cheap. It's just $1. So I can always change that. But I love having my perfumes and body sprays and whatever I have in here. I have my slime here. I might give these away because I don't really use them. I bought them thinking I was like so desperate to use them, and I never use them anymore. Plus my Touch MP3 player. I know you're jealous. I need to change that. And then I have little things here. I have this notebook. This notebook can stay here. I think it's fine. But then I have my skin routine here. And I don't know. And then that mess. That was organized. And now it's just a big disastrous mess. And my jewelry is there. So I'm trying to make this video as short as I can. But I think it's going to be a little long. There we go. It's focused. And it's nothing. I have those two things on the wall, and that's it. So obviously these walls are going to get cleaned because I haven't cleaned them forever. It looks like Halloween in here. Okay, so I want this wall to be covered in something. I don't know if I want different types of art, different types of family pictures. I have no idea what I want to do. That's definitely staying up there. And I think that should be, it's like a Christian quote. That should be in the middle of everything because I'm a Christian, I love family, and I love the ocean. So that's probably going to be the theme. My room is going to be painted like a oceany green, like it's called Sea Lily, so you have an idea. I'll talk about that in the next episode as well. So yeah, I want to cover this wall in stuff so that when you watch my videos, the background can be really cool and really... Okay, so the next thing is getting, well, pretty much just cleaning up things. Getting that mirror is going to be kind of rough. So I want to get this mirror out of the way because I want a bigger mirror so I can take better pictures of my outfits. This is just too skinny. It was cheap, which is cool, and it's a door one, which is cool too, but it's just, I need a longer one, and I'm gonna see if I can find one at, it's called Restore. If you guys have one, or check online to see if you have one. It's very cool. It's Habitat for Humanity thrift store, and you buy stuff there, and they help people with homes, so it's really cool. Why am I not breathing right? Okay, anyway, another thing is this mess right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that backpack. My closet is like jam-packed, but beanbag chair can stay. I'm sure I'll be fine, even though I wish I had a more girly beanbag, but that one's fine. Those books need some type of organization, like, I don't know, maybe make a bookcase. I'll figure it out. Windows, I want curtains on them. Curtains. That one doesn't even have blinds. And then I have a bunch of stuff there, so I need to remove those things. So this bedding totally fits with what I want for my room. I want an ocean theme, and this reminds me of water and the ocean. But the thing is, and I would love to keep this. The only problem is I have 2 pillows. One is matching, and the other one doesn't because it's a long pillow. And so it kind of like, I don't know, maybe I can get a casing for that that's maybe a white and we'll go with this. But I just feel like I would love a better bedding with more pillows, you know, more decorative. So maybe I can make videos on my bed as well. I have a lot of different ideas I want to do this summer. I'm so ready for YouTube. I have so much energy right now. Like, nothing is bothering me, and I work with children, so I am like so hyped. But yeah, that's one thing I definitely want to change. I love the ocean. As you guys see, I love blue. I already have these blue things right here. I don't know what that's from. Christmas, I think. And I even have a crown my friend made me. So things, and lastly, I said things that I wanted to get rid of that bring me memories that I'm thankful for, but I'm not in anymore. So one thing is this party sign up here. It was made and put together in a time where I was so happy, but now I'm just not there anymore, and it just brings me sad memories. So I'm probably gonna take that down. Well, definitely gonna take that down so I can put my painting, so I can do my painting. And then this, somebody who used to live here probably drew this with paint. I think it's the ugliest thing ever, and it was probably somebody young, so I'm not gonna say anything more. Probably, I don't think so, but so that's not mine, and it kind of reminds me of things I don't want to remember of, and it's almost like leaving a mark saying it's yours, and this is my room until my parents kick me out.
You know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
So I just got an awesome idea while I was editing the video. This video I think is gonna go up Friday because I don't want to overpost on YouTube. Oh, the sun's coming out. I love posting on YouTube, but I don't want to overpost, so I think this video is going to come out on Friday instead of Wednesday. I know some of you were really confused yesterday, probably. I don't know, nobody said anything. But I think you guys were confused because I was like changing when I was gonna post this video, but I think it is gonna go up on Friday because I just want to post twice a week. I don't want to post 3 times a week. My purse review is coming up soon. It'll be Monday, hopefully. I think that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see. I'm just trying to get this room done, and I think that's the series right now. So we'll see. I forgot. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is, I feel like I get some daylight. Let me tell you guys that. Just some. But I think I get it more from this window. So I think what I'm gonna do, and this is gonna be quite the challenge because I've moved this bed around myself and it's hard. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this bed to this space and move my desk to this space. And then this, I don't know. But I'm just ready for this new chapter of my life. I'm ready to move on and to get rid of these white walls and to be inspired and to grow on this channel. I really want this channel to grow. I want to be an inspiration to people. I want to be helpful to people. And even if nobody's watching, even if only 5 people watch my video today, I need a new life. I need to start over, and you can start over too without having to do a bedroom makeover. Just look at life in a different way. So this got deeper than I thought it would. So that was my before, episode 1 of my bedroom makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed that heart-to-heart talk. And I'm so excited for this makeover, and I'm so excited to put this on YouTube. And I'm sorry my background's dark, but as you guys know, I don't have a light. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. And bye!
I am sad and so